Cape Mental Health is the oldest non-profit community-based mental health organization in South Africa, and its main objective is to provide services to children and adults with intellectual disability, youth and adults with psychosocial or psychiatric disabilities, and then there's a large area of our work which covers mental health promotion and awareness, because I think the biggest problem that people with mental disability face is society's attitudes towards them. The stigma, the discrimination, the barriers that they face. And once we've broken down the barriers to allow people to be fully included, to have the right to education, the right to employment, the right to love, the right to a family, the right to be accepted. Mental disability or mental illnesses and neurological conditions is the third highest burden of disease in South Africa, with the lowest health budget allocation. So funding is a huge challenge, and every year you start all over again. Our PR and communications, we've got 3 major campaigns during the year. March is Intellectual Disability Awareness Month, July Psychosocial or Psychiatric Disability Awareness Month, and then October is Mental Health Awareness Month, and that's where we have our big event, which is the Kite Festival, being the largest mental health awareness raising event in Africa. So the Kite Festival is hosted by Cape Mental Health, and annually we invite international kiters.
In Deutschland ist es relativ normal, dass Festivals zum Beispiel im Rahmen vom Stadtmarketing organisiert werden. Und hier ist es halt Cape Mental Health, man unterstützt eine wichtige Botschaft.
We want to put the biggest kites up in the sky so we can draw all the people around the country to actually just come and have a look. And so all those funding is going for a good cause.
Wenn wir hier sind in Kapstadt und Cape Mental Health uns ihre Einrichtungen zeigt, dann sieht man erstmal, wie viele von diesen Problemen betroffen sind, und das gehört mehr in die Öffentlichkeit.
So the event is really amazing, and this year our theme was Rise Up and Fly. You know, kites fly and they soar against the toughest winds, but they rise. And so for people with mental disability, we also give a clear message that they do have the potential to rise. You would have noticed that the Kite Festival was spoken about in possibly every written newspaper, radio station, television broadcast. The wonderful thing about the Kite Festival is we can also take it to communities. So in the lead up to the Kite Festival, we have the community fly. And so the kiters come and they go with us into the communities, and you would have seen the excitement. It's just an amazing event for us to achieve the objective about raising awareness, including people, and giving them the hope and the opportunity once more to be regarded as equal citizens in this country.